This is the first one we have in December, and if you saw some of the description below on what we're going to do today, I have been working on some Christmas songs. I wrote about 5 Christmas songs, two of which seem to be pretty decent, hopefully. And we've one Oscoilga. It's called Tá Nullig Linn, which means Christmas is with us. But Nullig kind of means December as well. So it's like December is with us or Christmas is with us. And it's about being, let's get into the spirit of the magic and all that type of thing. Even though it was a long year and I might be far from home, but still we got to look at the magic of the season and all that type of thing. And then there was another one I have. It's called Christmas True. And that title came to me and I was like, whoa, how can I... What am I going to look at here? So you'll hear that one too in a few minutes. But didn't sleep much last night. That happens sometimes when you're in a apartment complex and you've got little kids going around, jumping around the walls at after midnight. So yeah, bit scattered today, I would say. How was your day? Hopefully you're having a good one. I'm going to start off with a Bob Dylan song because when I played with a band called the Mongrels years ago. Shout out to anyone who used to come and see the Mongrels in the Foggy Jew or any of the other 200 pubs all over Dublin. We used to start our set with this a lot of times. They say every man must need protection. They say every man he must fall. But I swear I see my reflection someplace so high above the wall. I see my light come shining from the west down to the east. Any day now, anyway now, I shall be released. Whoa. They say everything can be replaced. They say every distance is not near. I remember the face of every man who put me here. See my light come shining from the west down to the east. Any day now, anyway now, I shall be released. Bob Dylan, great tune. So yeah, let me know where you're listening in from, and if you're looking forward to Christmas, let me know. Yes, shout out to the Pennocks who are unwell and hopefully will get better soon. And so hopefully all's going well for you, or all will go well in the next few days. So and anyone else who's feeling a bit down or in the dumps or any of that type of thing, hope you're hopefully will raise your spirits a bit today. Yeah, let us see. What am I going to do? I'm going to do another song on this. We'll see what we'll do. On that note, let's feeling groovy, and then we'll get into a Christmas song, because feeling groovy is so Christmassy. Yeah. All right, a bit of reverb this time.
Slow down, you move too fast. You got to make the moment last. We're kicking down the cobblestones and looking for fun and feeling groovy. Feeling groovy. I've got no deeds to do, no promise to keep. I'm dappled and drowsy, I'm ready to sleep. Let the morning time drop all its petals on me. A life I love you and all is groovy. Feeling groovy. Hello lamppost, what you doing? I come to watch your flowers growing. Ain't you got no rhymes for me? I do it and do, I'm feeling groovy. Feeling groovy. So slow down, you move too fast. You got to make the moment last. Kicking down the cobblestones, looking for fun, I'm feeling groovy. Feeling groovy. Yay, feeling groovy. All right,
That's got me going now. That's got me going. Right. So, getting caught up in my leads. This is what happens. Okay. So, we are gonna. I have my first song for you today. In the Christmassy kind of one is called "Christmas True," and yeah, it's a love song for my Anne-Marie. So let's plug in. Let's just sing the song and see how you like it. Okay, here we go.
I'm not sure I believe in Christmas, the story of Bethlehem, the wise man, the manger, the coming of a Savior. I kind of feel like a stranger, but I know that you do. Right from your foundations, and I believe in you. So I'll join the celebrations. Christmas, any Christmas with you is a Christmas true. Oh, and I'm not sure I believe in Christmas, but I know it's something good. Like talking with a neighbor, doing a friend a favor, family time together. But I know that you do. Oh, right from your foundations, and I believe in you. So I'll join the celebrations. Christmas, I need Christmas with you. Is a Christmas true? And it's easy to get cynical, 'cause it's all got so commercial. I'm not sure if I believe, but I know you do. Oh, right from your foundations, and I believe in you. So let's join the celebrations. Christmas, I need Christmas with you. Is a Christmas true? Oh, Christmas, I need Christmas with you. Is a Christmas true?
Ish. There's a new Christmas song for you all. Plenty of other ones out there, but we've a few new ones on the way. There's another new one coming in a while. Let's do something else in the meantime. Let's have a quick look at our see if our chat wall is going at all. Who have we got? We've Yvonne Risman from Clonsilla. I saw the little video, Yvonne, of your young lads, Tim and Vincent, singing away, enjoying the music. Jingle Bells, I think it was. Good one. Sean Reilly is on as well. How are you doing, Sean? Thanks for listening in. Frank Wang, how are you doing? From to Shy Grayson and Frank, how's it going? Frank is on the front lines of keeping an eye on COVID and helping everyone out as a doctor, and also fair play to you, Frank, and everyone in the same boat. Who else have we got there? Liz, how are you doing, Liz? You're enjoying the music, lovely. That's great. Up the dubs, says Quiva. Oh, she's seeing my my blue jumper. This is actually I got this. I did a sneaky gig last year. It was at Battle Creek, in Battle Creek, and this says hello in loads of different languages, but Gaeilge isn't on there. I was like, lads, come on, where's the Irish? But how are you, Mick Morris? Thanks for being with us. Great to have you there. We've Alan McMillan as well. Grayson, you're feeling groovy in Wyandotte. Good stuff. Thanks very much, Alan. Great stuff. Myself, I've been coaching Alan on guitar, and he's doing great stuff. Getting stuck into Dadgad guitar, and he's doing brilliant. Great musician already, and just helping him along, helping him out. We've Connie Riley over in England. Everyone, we're doing all right. There's a bit of COVID creeping in around here, so we're gonna be even more careful than usual. So things are heating up over here, unfortunately, in that regard. We've Morris Byrne there. Happy Saturday to you. We've Yvonne and Mary Bongiorno. Thank you very much for being with us. Nullig Hunna, listening in from Detroit. And my wife likes her song, so that's good. That's nice. Chris and Mary Farrell, good evening from Chandler's Ford. Yes, how are you doing, Chris and Mary? So thanks for being with us. Right, we are going to move along. What was I going to do? Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna do yeah, why not? Let's do me fun little canal song. That one. And if you know it, sing along. This is called Canal Bank Walk. So not Canal Bank Walk. That's the original poem. You should look up. This is Canal Bank Hangover Walk. Right.
Take a walk along the shady leafy banks. Sing a song when you're blue. Let the sun shine through. Say hello to Paddy, who's sitting on the bench where the lovers kiss on the canal gate. And now the bikes go by in 10s and 33s, and at the lights the green man's flash dancing will hold your own as you cross through the bike melee where the boatman is cleaning out the dirty bins. Roodle-um a doodle-um a skithery idle doodle day, roodle-um a doodle-um a skithery idle day, roodle-um a doodle-um a skithery idle doodle day, roodle-um a doodle-um a skithery idle day. Well, quick your step along graffiti boardwalk, on and on the weeping willows. See the office folk go with their lunch in the sun, and I've not yet had me breakfast. Roodle-um a doodle-um skithery idle doodle day, roodle-um a doodle-um skithery idle, roodle-um a doodle-um skithery idle doodle day, roodle-um a doodle-um skithery idle. Now me tongue goes rump, me head still dumb-a-dum. Time to turn at the empty Garda station. We'll hit for home past Luther's lovely little church as we're passing the per one-night people. Roodle-um a doodle-um skithery idle doodle day, roodle-um a doodle-um skithery idle do. Hey, roodle-um a doodle-um skithery idle doodle day, roodle-um a doodle-um skithery idle do.
Yay. So, yeah. So we're moving along to this is Tánaigh Christmas is with us. So, Christmas in Ireland starts on the 8th, when traditionally a lot of people come from the country up to Dublin to do their shopping. I presume that's not going to happen this year, but you never know. I guess I don't know. I guess yeah. Is there going to be an 8th? You think that Amazon should have like a big day about the 8th in Ireland. I doubt it's happened because of the whole Black Friday and all that type of thing. But that Black Friday should be that whatever the 8th is in Ireland, really, I think. Anyway, maybe Duns have something going on online, do they? Ishke. Right. So, to let you know what's going on, I decided that, yeah, it's going to be released on Wednesday, these two songs, but they're on pre-order. They have these things called pre-orders. I don't know. So, we decided to do a pre-order. I decided about 2 hours ago. I am now putting it up on the thing. So, it's on Bandcamp. I've called the album of the two of them, Christmas True. And if you want, you can go and have a listen to the recordings, because I did all studio stuff with them, and with some backing harmonies and all that type of thing. So you can get, if you buy it now, it's like €2 or something, because it's €1 a pop, €2 or whatever you want to give, and you get the Christmas True immediately. And then on Wednesday you'll get a access to this one, which is Tá Nullig Linn, which is Christmas is With Us. So let's see how we get on with this one. Without further ado.
Tá Nullig Linn, Blin ada a bhí going. Tá Nullig Linn, Conna me show sár de gáir a glinn. Dain darmid an blin tá chaite, an irgúil tachtas caraballa. Falla bháin, bíoch muid buíoch, is credimis im jog an dríoch. Tá Nullig Linn, Blian ada a bhí a going. Tá Nullig Linn, Ó canna mé seo sár le gáir a glinn. Trasna na dáta uad a géin, Ariam wem shiv mulein ach seo chuing elm specialte, seo fecca me shiv an bongarilta. Tá Nullig Linn, Blian ada a bhí a going. Tá Nullig Linn, Ó canna mé seo sár le gáir a glinn. Trasna na dáta uad a géin, Ariam wem shiv mulein ach falla bháin, bíoch muid buíoch, is credimis im jog an dríoch. Tá Nullig Linn, Blian ada a bhí a going. Tá Nullig Linn, Ó canna mé seo sár le gáir a glinn. One more time. Tá Nullig Linn, Blian ada a bhí a going. Tá Nullig Linn, Ó canna mé seo sár le gáir a glinn.
Tá Nullig Linn, Christmas is With Us. So there you go. There's your Christmas songs for today. So where are we gonna move to? Yeah, random song that I just felt like feels a bit December-y is this one by Nick Drake. So last month of the year, folks, hopefully like vaccine will come in and sort everything out, and then everyone will be happy out for January. But if that doesn't happen, we all need to keep going, keep at it. Where's our chat room? Let me see. I've lost you. Okay. We've a wee chat room here. I've got some bugs in the system here. Anyway. Great. Thanks for listening in. Me ma's listening in there. And we have Mark Harlow as well. Mark, how are you doing? You missed a Christmas song or two, but you don't have to miss them because they're on my Bandcamp site there on that link. You can hear the recordings. And you can listen back to this live stream as well. Well, what else did we do? We did I Shall Be Released by Bob Dylan. What a song. Anyway, we are now moving on to This one is a weird tuning. That G goes down to an F sharp, which gives it this.
Strange face with your eyes, so pale and sincere. Underneath, you know well, you have nothing to fear. For the dreams that came to you when so young, told of a life where spring has sprung. You would seem so frail, the cold of the night, and you know well, go out to fight. But while the earth sinks to its grave, you sail to the sky on a crest of
Nick Drake, check him out if you've never heard his stuff. It's wonderful, amazing stuff. We've got Aoife Gordon up in Scotland. Scotland, hey. No, you don't throw the high in. I'm doing a cardinal sin there. Mixing up Donegal and Scotland. Terrible. Anyway, hello Aoife, welcome in and listening in. Thank you very much for being with us. We have Enda Cullen as well there. Enda, how you doing, man? I hope all's well. And we have Tramp Salad. Thank you very much, Tramp Salad. Nice name. You're very welcome. So where are we gonna go? We have a few others. I've me 2 Christmas ones done now. That's all. It's mad. You spend the whole week, like I literally wrote 5 songs there on the 1st, 30th into the 1st, and then kind of was working on all of them at the one time, and I was like, okay, no, focus on 2, we get them done. And so then I was recording, and then I've been mixing and mastering and all that stuff, so it's kind of weird then to come out of that kind of bubble and into actual performing again. So even though it's not that long, like, right, gotta get that string back up. What are we gonna do for you? I'm gonna sing Curt an Lungig Shoal. This is an Irish one from my Irish album called New Songs in Irish, or Our on New in Gaeilge. And here is Curt an Lungig Shoal, which means set the ship a sail, which means start something new, which is, I am doing with my new Christmas song. So fair play to me, as John Spillane would say. So Ireland's longest river is the Shannon, and it's a wonderful thing to do during the summer with a few friends, to rent a boat and go down the Shannon. So in this, that was inspired. This song was inspired by those types of times on the Shannon. Knock Jassy na crinche is swinche, knock Glorber de viola le kyo, is Arin gagga gugaira, nurakarum anlung egg show. Karalung egg show, Karalung egg show, show, a mock is a mock, oh, talum. All in the time, yard, and the yard, the nose, caramel, along the show. Not Jassy on chunning for fun in, is Farlum, Aish Knopfjord. Is Arin got grew him, let's do him. Nurakarum on long egg show. Karalong egg show. Karalong egg show. Show. A mock is a mock. Oh, talum. All in the tach. Yart, then the yart, the no. Shikaramel along egg show. Dog me mushantak don Atlantic. Sni voi me rash gudio. Is Arimo hail good sail. Nurakarum on long egg show. Karalong egg show. Karalong egg show. Show. A mock is a mock. Oh, talum. All in the tach. Yart, the nigger. Yart, the no. Shikaramel along. Egg show. Yay! Now, set that ship a sail. So, Tramp Salad asks, is YouTube mostly where my stuff can be found? Yeah. Oh, you're another one of those guys practicing mixing with Curran Lungig show. Well, isn't that a really strange thing to just have occurred? So I have some of this album. I bought this book on sound engineering, and it was called The Mixing Secrets, I think. It was by a guy called Mike Senior, and it was such a good book. It was amazing that I got on to him, and I said, did he want to, because he has this big library of multi-tracks, because that's what happens. That's how you mix things. You kind of have them on different tracks, and then you blend them, as it were. And so mixing engineers need if you're not a musician yourself recording all your own tracks, you don't have really access to learn your trade. So I felt I gave 2 or 3 songs to Mike's library, and so over the years a lot of people have mixed Curran Lungig Shoal. So thanks very much, Tramp Salad. That is kind of a strange one, because I didn't know that you had done that at all. So thanks very much thanks. I hope you enjoyed working with it. it wasn't perfect, especially Rama did the bass for me, but I didn't record it amazingly well. So the bass was tricky to mix, but it was played amazingly because Rama Block, amazing bass player. Anyway, tune. We had Bob Kelly there on, and we had Darren McGowan. I know Darren and Bob, you're fans of Kern Lunga Show, so thanks so much for chiming in there. Excellent stuff. And excellent stuff. My Aunt Mary is on down the west, down in Mayo. And my Uncle Art, who I've been thinking about recently, I need to give him a bell. He's been sending his regards, so that's great. And he's been watching. Oh, he's been watching. Well, how are you doing, Art? Phil the Fluter's ball last week. Art, I was thinking of you because you gave me the last verse at one point. The one about Phil the Fluter tipping the hat. Our little crooked Paddy going around with the hat and all that, yeah. So anyway, we'll be chatting. So let's keep going. Yeah. I'm gonna do another song on Squailgate. This is called A Nosk Nua, The New Connection. And Tramp Salad, if you would like to mix this one, that one is also up in that library, I believe. So this is in Dadgad. So, yeah. A Nosk Nua, The New Connection.
Now be ook in the earth, mata do chriawart, I glúsa no súla, an stranger no cara. Eis leis an Nosk Nua, le fuma Nosk Nua. Eis leis an Nosk Nua. De gnauze nacht, ak niel de kriesje kroe, is er de wijze lucht, is dat de tamboe. Eis leis an Nosk Nua, le fui man Nosk Nua. Eis leis an Nosk Nua. Eis leis an Nosk Nua, le fui man Nosk Nua. Eis leis an Nosk Nua, le fui man Nosk Nua.
This A Nosk Nua, The New Connection. What else have we got going here? The summertime is always coming. So let's sing the Wild Mountain Time. It's kind of like the Starks in Game of Thrones. Winter's coming, but I think for the Irish it's the opposite. It's like summer's always coming for this song. Or Scottish. The debate continues. Is it Scottish or is it Irish? Anyway.
Oh, the summertime is coming, and the trees are sweetly blooming, and the wild mountain thyme grows around that blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? And we'll all go together to pluck wild mountain all around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? If my true love did leave me, could I ever find another where the wild mountain thyme grows around that purple heather? Will you go, lassie, go? And we'll all go together to pluck wild mountain thyme all around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? Love to leave me, could I ever find another where the wild mountain thyme grows around that blooming heather? Will you go, lassie, go? And we'll all go together to pluck wild mountain thyme all around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? One more time. And we'll all go together to pluck wild mountain thyme all around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? Will you go, lassie, go? We're a bit out of tune.
Out of tunage. Okay, so we have Morris Byrne on as well. Dublin are beating Cavan 6 points to 3 with 15 minutes gone. Dublin are great. What a great team. And Cavan, but there's an Enda Reilly who plays for Cavan, or there used to be anyway, and he'd be scoring points like mad. Fair play to him. And we have John Nelson Prentice on as well. The finale song at the Winnipeg Folk Festival. I've yet to get there, John, but I'd love to come. I'd love to see you there sometime. Hopefully, in the next couple of years, we'll get down to Winnipeg. That would be amazing. Yes. What am I going to do for you? Let's do something on the electric guitar, just for Variation. Variation. Um, oh, I think she's live already. Ready to go. Okay, what are we gonna do? I don't know. Oh, I have an idea. Quite a lot of ones off Squailga today. We're gonna try this one.
Calling Allen, I dug my ground. She's just as hard and a blast rose. Got me her lifelong, it's clear to time. Oh, calling Allen is too far. Calling Allen, I dug my ground. Be your love, movie star. Alberljanse, går to my ground, yeah, by your romance, not Irene, amak kahoid na shure nu is mom from you make sweeter aram galinu so a tie what when shall crack is from Calling Allen, I dug my ground. Be her love, movie the ground. Alberljanse, går to my ground, yeah, by your romance, not wrong. Daja kalamsa kalinusa rishka bra ni vai brown ach shining kjolwit ma kjol na glashi no kjol in the smalling is andru kjol Calling Allen, I dug my grave be your love, no movie star. Alberljanse, går to my ground, yeah, by your romance, not wrong. By your romance, not wrong.
Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Right, that was Colleen Allen, which is big popular song up in Donegal, down in Connemara, and all over the shop there. The beautiful girl. So we'll do something else on this, soon as though I'm here. Let me see. I don't know. Didn't have as much of a list today for you. No, nothing's coming to mind. Let's move along. Oi. Right. Let's do one on the mandolin. This is Over the Hill. John Martin. Great song. Just do it acoustic. So we just have the mic and the instruments. Right. Yeah, alright. I think a little bit of reverb is nice. Small hall time. How are you, small hall? 1, 2. Not a lot. Bit more. 1, 2. Yeah, there we go. Welcome to the small hall.
Gonna wait to leave you, gonna leave you in disgrace. Nothing in my favor but the rain in my face. I'm going home. Hey, 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 over the hill. Over the hill. Hey, 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 over the hill. I've been worried about my baby, I've been worried about my wife. Just one place for a man to go when he's worried about his life. Over the hill. Hey, 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 over the hill. Over the hill. Hey, 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 over the hill. Oh, I can't get enough of sweet coke, can't get enough of Mary Jane. I'm going back to where I come from, go rolling back home again. Over the hill. Hey, 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 over the hill. Over the hill. Nothing in my favor, got the wind in my face. I'm going home. Hey, 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 over the hill. Over the hill. Hey, 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 over the hill. Hey, John Martin, gotta love him. And so who else have we got? So Tramp Salad, excuse me. Too much Trump in my mind.
Tramp Salad is asking, do I do all the recording in my room? Well, at the moment, yes, this is the studio of the hour of the moment. But back in Ireland, it was at one point in my mother's house in Tala, and at another time, where was I? In Adelaide Road in Dublin. And another time there was a place in Ranelagh. So you just got to record wherever you are. It's just got to be done. Even if people are jumping upstairs, you just hope it doesn't go in the mic, and if it does, just figure something out, you know. So that's it. And some of that recording that I did some of that in Rama's and in Gary's. I think Gary Raymond as well. And so yeah, wherever you can. And we have Aoife Scott on there. How are you doing, Aoife? Thanks very much for tuning in. Hope all's well. Yeah, I wrote another song, Aoife, called Christmas Eve, and we always used to meet up with Aoife and Andy on Christmas Eve. So there's a line in that song about meeting up for coffee and muffins and a hot toddy. There you go. Anyway, we won't get to do that this year, but maybe next year. Yes, and the mic I'm using is a Neumann TLM 103. It's a great little mic, and yeah, well worth investing in. So, call Wilmot and Ish. We've Lauren Guillory in from West Cork. Lauren, are you in West Cork or are you in Wild West Cork? That's what I always think about Cork. It's so big. You go out from the city and then you're in West Cork already, and then there's all of way more Wild West Cork. So I can't remember where you're at, but Lauren Guillory, another amazing musician. And we've Ger Karan on there as well. How are you, Ger? Yolanda. Great, thanks very much, Lauren. And John Prentice, how are you doing? So, I think I'm going to do one or two more, and we will leave it at that. We're at Haina Clug, 1 o'clock, my time, which is probably 6 your time in Ireland. Right, yeah. What am I going to do? Right, let's do something. Bit of crack. Me bower on. Still learning me bower on. Let's try this one. Scarta Glen, there live the lass. I think Scarta Glen is down there. Wild West Kerry. I think. No. In Scarta Glen there lived a lass, and every Sunday after Mass she would go and take a glass before going home be barna. We won't come along the road for fear that you might take the wrong. Won't come along the road, no, we'll go home be barna. We won't go down the mill barring, the night is bright, we might be seen. Won't go down the mill barring, no, we'll go home be barna. We won't come around the glen for fear your blood might rise again. Won't come around the glen, no, we'll go home be barna. We won't go down the mill barring, the night is bright, we might be seen. Won't go down the mill barring, no, we'll go home be barna. We won't go home across the bog, fear you might meet Carney's dog. Won't come across the bog, no, we'll go home be barna. We won't go home the mill barring, the night is bright, we might be seen. Won't go home the mill barring, no, we'll go home be barna. Yes. Yay, we're getting good. We're getting good, says I to myself. So, we shall finish up with a song on a guitar. So, you're all great for tuning in. Thanks very much. Makes my Saturdays something really to look forward to get some stuff. I hope you enjoyed the new Christmas songs, and please do in the description down below if you could share around the link and stuff like that, and that'd be great. So my job for the next few days is get that to some DJ friends who'd like to play it. the one in Osgailge, hopefully on Radio na Gaeltacht, they might play that. They're amazing for supporting music Osgailge in the Irish language. So that's Tuesday is the day that it gets released, but you can pre-order it before that. And if you would like, you can also drop a tip into a tip jar, which is paypal.me/Enda Reilly, or Venmo for Americans, which is at Enda-Reilly. And again, the Bandcamp one is band. Let me see, where is it here? I have it written down somewhere. It's pretty much Bandcamp. Enda Reilly at over in Bandcamp. So Cobbleshay Bandcamp. Yeah, if you go to endareilly.bandcamp.com, so endareilly.bandcamp.com, or indeed endareilly.com, you will. I've yet to put stuff up there about it because I was trying to get it out for you all today. So I will put some stuff up on my own website as well for you. So, yeah, I'm going to finish off with this one. This is Where the Sweetest Waters Flow. And if my Uncle Ott is listening, this is for my Uncle Ott. And yeah, it's about all the fields around that area there that Austin Tighe, my grandfather, would have been telling me about. And Seamus was telling me about a few bits as well. It's my interpretation of what's going on around there. So great, thanks everybody for being with me, and I shall see you during the week online or next week. Every Saturday we're back here, 12 noon Eastern time, which is usually 5 Irish time. So here we go.
Way beyond in the barley field, where the ghosts of corncrakes crow, 10 generations of your fathers knew where the sweetest waters flow, where the sweetest waters flow. Way up above beneath the Temple Hill, by the big rock in the field, hundreds of people kneeled and prayed, had to hide or forced to flee, had to hide, forced to flee. Way up above in the old graveyard, a man came, spoke of a dream of hidden gold in the old church wall. He reached inside, it gleamed, it gleamed. He reached inside, it gleamed, it gleamed. My granddaddy told me when I was young in this very field, helping my father save the hay. 3 shots we heard as they killed a man for being in love with his country, for being in love with his country. Way on beyond in the where the sweetest waters flow, where the sweetest waters flow.
Now, thanks very much, everyone. You're all great, and hope you have a brilliant week. And sure, be talking to some of you. You're in Clonakilty, Lauren's in Clonakilty. What a lovely place where the pudding, the black pudding, and all is from. Yeah, lovely spot down there. Lots of music and everything as well. So you're in the right place, Lauren. I'm sure you know well. Lisa Good, thank you very much, Lisa. And Jer Karan and Morris Byrne. Thank you for keeping us updated on the score. Dublin 10, Cavan 6. So Dublin are keeping going. Brian Johnson, thanks a million again for your support. Much appreciated. Guramila Mahagut, a reward. Good deal. A small on Fuckleshin. Rinne Darmada and Fuckleshin. Good deal. Which is, that's cool. Or something like that. Good man, Robert. And Alan, thanks very much, Alan. I'll see you all soon next Saturday, and yeah, do share around that if you like the Christmas songs. Share them out there. And Mirren, how are you doing? Right at the end, we have Mirren saying hello. Great to have you in with us, Mirren. Thanks again, John. And slán go fáil gach duine.